Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a video about a recreation of such a wagon. And so here on Facebook, this is a sculpt from Valentin Winkelmann. So I use this as a reference. So it's it's only about the wagon itself. So this one. And so there was a question about how long the sculpt take. He answered about 15 to 20 hours for the whole scene, so included the elephant and so on. So I recreated the wagon, this one, and I recorded the video in 5 parts, and it's not a time lapse. So I needed about 2 hours to recreate the wagon. So this is not really a beginner tutorial or so, yeah. Maybe you like it or not. So this is what you get when you watch the 5 small video parts, about 2 hours. So the smaller details like the barrel here or the shield you can sculpt for your own. So it's only about the basic workflow. So this is my personal workflow. So if you don't like it, don't watch the videos. So it's really fast how to create this wagon, I think, because 2 hours to create this thing is a good time. I think you can do it a little bit faster, but I think for the complete wagon with all details, lanterns and barrels and so on, you need about 3 hours if you're very fast. So have fun with the following tutorial videos. Yeah, that's it. Ciao.